So I just came back from the shareholder meeting and I was correct. I knew that there was going to be some upset people, and there was. One guy was saying, am I going to lose all my money from your company? I already lost half of my money, and am I going to lose all of it? Uh, they said that no, they don't think so, but they cannot comment on the share price. But they did, like, from what I got out of Aurora, they basically saying that just be patient and things will get better. That's what they're basically saying. That's their message. But I think, I honestly think after listening to the earnings report, after listening to the conference call, I'm more confident in Aurora long term now. But again, that's management's job, right? Management job is to ensure shareholders that nothing is wrong and everything is good. Do you believe them? I do. I do believe them. I think that the company will recover. I think if Aurora stock was suffering and Canopy stock was, the all-time high, then yes, I would say there is some major concerns at Aurora right now. But that's not the scenario. Aurora and Canopy are both down to basically broken its 52-week low and is basically on sale. And, I honestly think Aurora is the better company out of Aurora and Canopy. Aurora is, like, the only thing Canopy has over Aurora is they have $3 billion on their balance sheet. Aurora has everything else Aurora has is better than Canopy right now. This is my personal opinion. And you know what? They also mentioned Nelson Peltz. They're still working with Nelson Peltz. And they said that shareholders will be extremely happy once they establish the relations with, once they announce their U.S. plans. Shareholders will be extremely happy at the news. And they're basically saying that they believe that it's a catalyst for the market, a catalyst for Aurora stock. So is it? I don't know. Do you believe them? It's up to you. But I do believe them. And at the end of the day, be patient. Don't be scared. Aurora is still doing very well. They're still the top selling cannabis. When it comes to selling products, Aurora is still basically number one. The number one medical, the number one in rec, the number one international. So you can't, the only thing they have is debt. But they ensured investors in that meeting that the debt is solvable. That the $230 million they have to pay, there is options for them to fix it. So it's not something that is a black hole that will basically destroy the company. That's what they said. That's what they're indicating at. I'm not exact words, but that's what they talked about. I do have a recording of it. I can show you the recording of about when they talk about the $230 million convertible debenture. So, I might show that over the weekend. I could make million videos. I can make like 3 or 4 videos out of just Aurora alone going to that meeting. So, that's what I can do. Aurora. So Aurora stock right now is not, it went up today, 6.42%. I don't think it really has anything to do with the meeting. It could maybe people left the meeting feeling good, and then they started to buy the stock, and the stock went up. But the meeting, there was a lot of rich people there, at least I think so, because according to what they said, there was about almost half a billion shares of shareholders there. So all the shareholders there accounted for $500 million shares. So there it was some really rich people there. yeah, that's all I really have to say about that. But there's a lot of shareholders there. It was busy. It was packed. A lot of people were there. So yeah, Canopy went up today, $2.39, $2.39, 12.53%. I really don't know why. I did come across this article, something about Canopy Growth Corporation expects to beat earnings estimates. Can the stock move higher? So Zacks consensus gives it a quarterly loss of 0.26 cents per share, which represents a change of 65% year over year. Revenues of $77 million. The $77 million of revenue is kind of on the weak side. I think it's easily beatable, but I could be wrong. If it's not beatable, I don't think it matters. I think the EPS loss is what really matters for Canopy. If Canopy can reduce the quarterly loss to, like, I don't know, less than 26 cents, the stock might pop because the stock's already at 52-week low. So I think Canopy could pop the stock. Who knows? We'll talk about it we'll talk about it tomorrow. So, in another video that I'm gonna release over the weekend regarding Aurora and Canopy. So, at least the earnings that's coming up on August 14th. So yeah, I'm gonna be releasing a video on Harvest Health this weekend, reviewing what I found wrong with the company, and I don't think it matters. I think the stock is gonna run, but I could be wrong. I'm really hoping the stock tanks back to like $3. I hope it doesn't go to $5. I mean, I still have a lot of shares, but I want to make Harvest one of my biggest, like a large position in my portfolio. Right now, it's a medium-sized position. Liberal Health Science is number 1. Harvest is number 2. So, yeah, Harvest is my second biggest position in the market right now. I would like to make it my first, but I want the stock price to go down. I don't want the stock price to go up. It sucks that it's going up. It's like a mind game. Rich people are pumping the stock up because I sold out. We'll see what happens though. If this stock tanks back to $3, my theory is out of the window. So we'll see what happens. But if it goes up, I guess I'm happy for everyone. I'm still making money, so, and then I'll just look for another stock to buy. That's that simple. Australia's capital. I was going to release this video over the weekend, but I have so many videos I want to make that I will save this video for next weekend. So if you really want to watch the animated video, you can sign up to my membership group, or you can just wait until next week. SoftBank has taken some serious heat for its WeWork and Uber loss. Yeah, Uber is not looking pretty right now. I thought it would bounce, but it's not bouncing. It's grinding right on the edge of the Bollinger Band. That's always bad. It's always bad when a company grinds against the Bollinger Band. But again, this is my opinion only. We'll see what happens. I think that we could see Uber go down to $25 US sometime next week. Only a prediction. Don't know if it'll come true. We'll see what happens. Disney stock is trading it didn't really move anywhere today. I'm shocked. I thought, good earnings beats, Disney Plus coming out. I thought the stock would be heading to $150. But nope, it's staying like this. I'm a very big bull on Disney. So I definitely will be buying some more call options on Disney. Long-term call options, not short-term. So that's my plan moving forward for Disney. Madman was a flop today. Everyone was basically having a nice green day, and Madman flopped. Ianthus had a nice day of 10% pop to the upside. TruELive surprisingly had a 5% pop just in the middle of the day. Maybe shorts were covering because Canopy scared them. Maybe. And everything else was up too. Liberal Health Science maintaining 51 cents. I still like this company, but I bet you if I sold out my position, the stock would probably go up because then rich people would be like, oh, buy. Because Kevin's out of the stock. At least that's my opinion. Because what's happening with Harvest right now, damn rich people. Just kidding. TruElve is looking very, very hot right now. Like just like, I don't know, it just doesn't look like it looks like it's uptrending. It's literally uptrending. If we look on the chart, it looks like it's uptrending. It's uptrending basically. It's it's uptrending. 74 RSI level. I think we could see TruElve at $20 in the near future. Maybe. I think it's a higher probability. Hopefully it drags Liberal Health Science with it, because Liberal Health Science is deserves it. Wink wink, rich people. I'm just kidding. You can do what you want. I don't care. I actually do kind of care, but whatever. If it goes up, it goes up. If it goes down, it goes down. I still like this company more than TruElve because I think it's a higher return on investment. Apple stock is I think it's hitting a ceiling. Could be not financial advice, but it's at 78. I think the right put option could make you a decent coin because it's way oversold, and some kind of trade news could come out or something, and this stock could tank 10% in one day. 10% on Apple tank is on a put option is massive amount of money, in my opinion. AMD is also hitting a ceiling. RSI is at 75. It doesn't seem to want to grind up anymore. Again, I think it could be a good put option. Don't know for sure. Maybe some big news will come out and it will go up even higher. Who knows? We'll see. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is trading sideways. Hive is sucking. What the Hive. Oh, what the hell? Yep, it's sucking. I don't know. I think that if Bitcoin goes to like 10,000 or 20,000, I bet you Hive will skyrocket and double your money. But will Bitcoin do that? No idea. Really, I have really no idea. Chap Energy Incorporation down to 82 cents. If you truly believe that this company will not get delisted from the New York Stock Exchange, this is a buying opportunity. But if you believe it could go down lower. But if you do believe that it getting delisted, then just completely stay away from it. But again, this is a pure speculation stock. I'm always going to bring it up because I find this company interesting. It has a low amount of shares. You guys talk about Aurora having so many shares. This stock literally has 20 million shares and it's traded on the New York Stock Exchange. So, Aurora is diluted, but this company is not diluted and it's still sucking. So, at the end of the day, rich people move this stock. Rich people move Aurora stock. As retail investors, we have no say. We have to rely on management to excite the rich people and scare the short sellers and have a massive short squeeze to the upside. That's all we can do. That's all we can do. So, yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. Give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.